Submitter pot in Mars, it's about Pat Cash.
From Tour Sanctuary. Inshallah, make contact with Allah regularly, daily, and Allah will guide you to the right path, inshallah. And if your brotherhood of shadows, you need to keep making contact with Allah regularly. And to gain support and encouragement, inshallah. I know it's difficult, but I'll teach you a way now of making contact, inshallah, with Allah. That inshallah will be able to find support, encouragement and guidance to the right path when dealing with special forces. There's a lot of special forces after Brotherhood of Shadows, and Brotherhood of Shadows mean believers in the unseen, and believers in the unseen have to are like sheep, and there's a lot of wolves who are preying on them with their capabilities. And if you start praying, inshallah, what will happen is you'll find support and guidance, inshallah. الثلاثة في ذات الثلاثة من ثلاثة فنون للميوزك والفهم والكتابة من هلال الأبيات الثلاثة لفرداء الثلاثة الكلاسيكية الفلسفية العلم اللغة التاريخ. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. Inshallah, what was I going to say? If your Brotherhood of Shadows, try to get gifts by observing Salah and prepare your journey ahead. Shop the internet and farm the net for Lord Saviours. And it's a hard time, it's a hard battle, a very hard battle. But you gotta start giving zakat to ward off evil too, and get things like calculating mathematics, correcting wrongs, meditating vows of lava lamps, pod speakers, computer, make music. Inshallah.